Hi! In front of me is Honor 90 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down to choose About Phone section. Then click on Device Name and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. When you're done, hit OK at the bottom right corner to save your changes. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!